Hey traders, we're through the first week of January 2022, and so it is time for me to do the update on December's results for our AST program, our Asymmetric Trading System. This is a sort of portfolio asset allocation passive model that we started on January 1st of 2021. And we're just now wrapping up the first year. This is going to be a short and sweet video because I do want to do a separate video for the overall results recapping the whole entire year. But we have done to this point a month by month video update of our trading results day by day over that month's period of time. So I want to continue that here for our past December's results. Let's go ahead and jump in. Let's take a look at it here. You can see what the market did for December. It was a stellar result for the market. The market was up 4.36%. You can see those numbers right there. But that number, which again is amazing, it's a great result for the market overall for the month. But that belies quite a bit of volatility that we saw in the month of December. December was a volatile month. Anytime you get more than 1% a day's movement, that's pretty volatile. And you got, one right there, almost there. There's a 2% day right there, almost right there, 1%, 1.6%, almost 1%, 1%. You can see there's a lot of 1% or moves that are pretty consistent throughout the month of December. So again, the market did really well for the month of December, but created quite a volatility skew as it went about doing that. Now, let's jump in real quickly here and let's look at our results. I need to back out here so we can see each day. We started December. Let me grab our sheet here. Here we go. We started the month, well, I started the month. My portfolio, my model portfolio started the month of December with $47,446. So that was my initial starting balance, $47,446. We started great right off the bat, the very first day. We had a few losses here and there, but you can see by and large, almost for the entire month, it was just steady Eddie, win after win after win. And so we're going to get into the risk that we took versus the risk of the marketplace, and we measure that via standard deviation. That's a little bit of a misnomer for this month because really we were much more consistent than the overall market, but the volatility only measures standard deviations. It measures moves. That's how we quantify risk. And so we continue to push up higher and higher. That's looked at as volatility, even though it's obviously putting money in our pocket. But you can see going from December 1st, pretty much all through the entire month, it was a pretty steady Eddie rise. Day after day after day. Very few drawbacks that we had. We ended the month December 31st, obviously. I ended it at 51,523. So I started at 47,446, ended at 51,523. Now, what does that look like? What do the numbers overall mean as we sort of parse that out? Well, for me, it was about a $4,077 gain for the month on that initial starting balance of 47,446. That's about an 8.59% gain in 1 month, biggest month that we have had in this program to date. I think 5% or so was the second highest month that we've had in this program. So pretty impressive gains on the month. We were positive alpha, obviously very positive alpha in the trade, in that we brought in 8.59% return versus the market 4.62% return. So we were positive alpha. We were able to beat the market's results. But more importantly, I think than that, again, we had this dual mandate in the program that we obviously would like to beat the market, but we want to do it with taking less risk. And this month was a very good example of doing that in a successful manner. We had 19 profitable trading days with only 3 losing days. The market had 11 losing days in the marketplace. So again, if you base risk off of volatility, and you measure volatility through standard deviation, it will show you that we took about 64% less risk in the marketplace to achieve this result than the overall market. However, that belies the fact that a lot of our volatility, or a lot of our quote-unquote risk, was to the upside. We were consistently moving to the upside. But again, just an absolute stellar result. I'm going to do a more detailed video here in just a bit on the overall year's results, but it was impressive to say the least. You can see, again, we started this program in January of 2021. You can see every single month as it has rolled out, as we have compared to the S&P 500. It was a tough year to do this program and try to beat the market. You can see that January, the market was down. Even May, it made money. So January, it was down. September, it was down. And November, it was down. 3 months where the market was negative. That's not very much negativity for us to gain an edge or an advantage. We tend to do much, much better than the overall market when the markets are down, because we have the ability to short or trade to the bear side in this system. But nevertheless, even with all of the challenges that we faced, the market ended up the year of 2021 up 26.89%. We ended up 54.50%, almost up 55% for the year. Just an absolutely gangbuster month. So we'll do a quick review of the overall year in another video, but just wanted to give you a quick update for the month of December, guys. Also, if you are interested in joining our team, being a part of our story, and seeing a system that can consistently beat the market, or at least has consistently beat the market over time, while taking much less risk by assuming much less volatility, you can check us out. We have a 2-week free trial that you can come in and see how we set up our portfolio allocation. And I will leave a link in this video for you as well, if that's something that you're interested in. Thanks, traders. Talk to you soon.